Here's how you can fix the issue of Steam game not launching. First, you need to go ahead and open the PowerShell as an administrator. To do this, use the search function, and in the PowerShell, you'll create a new user account. Note that the username and password must be set. You can choose your own, and after creating the user, give it administrative privileges using the provided code. And if you chose a different username, replace new user with the code with your chosen username. Now that you're done with PowerShell, hold the Shift key and right-click on the Steam icon, then select Run as different user. Enter the username and password of the new user you created and proceed. Because you have opened Steam with this new user, you will need to log into your Steam account again. And after logging in, check if the Steam game now launches correctly. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.